A while back on how to repair one of these if it's making a lot of noise or not sucking water, and I just wanted to note that it's still running. I haven't replaced it. It isn't very loud, and it still works pretty well. You just have to maintain it occasionally, but there's no real need to throw things away if you can fix it. So check out that video if because your pump isn't working. That's not really what this video is going to be about. This video is about this pump and this pool. This pool is branded as Bestway. I think it's probably also similar to the Intex pools that you can get. And why I recommend this over the pools that have like an inflatable ring on the top is because it has a pretty sturdy steel frame. We've never had any leaks, and even if you do get a leak, they even have a patch kit that comes with it. But this is our third season with this pool, and we have normally taken it down in the winter just so it doesn't get all gunky, and so we don't have ice gathering inside of it and expanding the water and cracking things and stuff. We just didn't want to take the risk. The pool comes with this liner. It's a soft liner, just plastic, and it comes apart right here. There is an upright piece, this plastic joint, and then it goes to steel horizontal supports. When we put this in, we cut a big circle out of our yard, took all the sod out, and raked it to be level, and then we covered it with a thin layer of sand, and that makes I think it makes it softer to your feet. It spreads the liner out a little nicer, and there aren't any rocks or anything that can come up and make holes in the bottom of the liner. It comes with this pump, and don't get me wrong, this isn't a great pump. It comes in the box with it, with all the hoses. It has skimmers right there, which gather like leaves and stuff so they don't go into the hoses. It has a small filter inside of that inside the pump. The pump is just a plastic impeller. You plug it in here, and if you have a problem with your pump not working, it might be because this thing has gone bad, which is a common thing. This is called a GFCI, and you can always just try it. You can try hitting reset. Sometimes you also have to check that your outlet has this thing, a reset. That's a GFCI as well. An outlet you'll find around your kitchen sink or in your bathroom, but it's also often on the outside, because if you get water into it, it helps in case it shorts. But this is also another way to repair it. You can replace this, and a lot of times your pump will work again, instead of just throwing it away or spending 60 or 70 bucks on a new one. So we bought this the summer of 2020. Back then they had a really low production rate, so people were gouging the prices. You were buying these things for like $1,000. I managed to find a guy selling this online at what he paid for it originally, which was around 400 or 500 bucks. And we've had it now for 3 summers, and it's holding up great. We even have a dog with big claws that she sometimes will jump up. We've had another dog jump up and kind of rest their paws on the side of this, and it didn't puncture it or anything. So as long as you take care of it, it holds up pretty well. So I recommend this. This is a Bestway brand, But you can also find these steel framed ones made by Intex. And honestly, I think they're probably made by the same manufacturer. They just have different brand names on them. That's my guess, because they all kind of look alike when you put them. You can also buy one by Coleman too, but I opted not to buy that one because the reviews were worse at the time. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you would like to hit the like button or subscribe, you'll get notifications when I make more videos. I do a lot of videos of how to repair things around your house, tool reviews, how to build things, and I appreciate you watching this far. Thanks.